Coming up next,
Sonic Boom!
YouTube
on Cartoon Network.
You are now about to witness
Sonic Boom!
YouTube poop.
You can go again. Don't fall behind. Say don't be late. This nation
Heaven.
Stay alive. Now you and me. We're going to have fun. Say, let's off. Excalibur. It's about that bar. What do you mean? Give it taste. Going home. Time zone. Check out it. Live alone. Leather legs. Get in play. What do you get? Say, back in. Zoom room. Cosmic zoom. That's up there. It's Sonic Boom. Sonic Warrior. Sonic Warrior.
You outwarded me and I can. You got the power to save the land.
Take a little chance. Slip on through. You got smart. No matter what you do. You gotta do for you. Sonic Warrior. Sonic Warrior.
The power is in your mind to save the planet, to conquer time.
I was just kidding! I gotta try to relax. Perhaps I can drown out with a little TV. Go, 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 go.
Yes, yes, yes.
What the fuck?!
One.
Barbecue bacon.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 law.
So sauce on the side. This is disgusting. This is a sandwich.
Yeah, you
Think?
sus.
It's not what I.
Here.
It's not what I ordered.
Get the fuck out!
I'm not paying for this.
Hey, your Meb burger looks.
I made this myself.
Your Meb burger looks Meb.
It's not a stupid meh burger. It's not a stupid meh burger.
Weird.
It's not a meh burger.
Ah, so it's a burger.
I thought it was clever, Sonic.
Shut the fuck up!
The people of this unnamed village deserve lovely viewers. The unnamed feeling. I'm gonna open a burger restaurant with good burgers. A pleasant, inviting. Let me guess. Burgers. Sticks, that's not a spatula. I'm about to teach 3-year-olds. Guys, 𝐂𝐸𝐤𝐴𝐚I is all about burgers.
Suck.
Quit eating the Amy sauce, Knuckles! Quit eating the sauce! I'm doing this to do Dave the intern and do. I don't care what they want. I know what they want. Good service without war! Friendly service! Doing this to destroy Dave the intern and his unerring instinct for what the public wants! I don't care what they want. I know what they need! Good service without war! Friendly smile! Now tell them to get in here! This is nuts. Nuts. This is nuts.
I like a Meb burger. You're getting slacks!
Why don't you just go
Kill yourself. The soup is hot and the salad is cold.
How about we go to Amy's restaurant for lunch?
No.
Okay, we won't go.
I think going to Amy's. Shut the fuck! Sonic, I need some help at the restaurant.
No.
Fuck you!
Bitch!
I've serious.
Need more Margaret.
12 o'clock midnight.
When people are trying to sleep, open the damn door! No!
So finally I go over and I open the door. Yeah, what do you want?
I was hoping I could crash with you and Tails for a few days. I was hoping you and Tails could destroy 𝐄𝐝𝒂𝒏𝒕🔣.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You need my help?
Do I look like I need your power?
How do I know you won't just be a cat?
What did you say?
How do I know you won't just me and Tails while we're sleeping?
𝐄𝐝𝒂𝒏𝒕🔣.
They're onto us! Use the doors! Use the...
Still waiting on that 𝐂𝐤𝐥𝐵NEDICT. Whoa!
Coming, coming.
I asked for
Some evil.
No!
Do you feel scared without a home?
Dude, those animals are so...
I've had enough of Eggman. He's out of here.
You guys have a problem. Communication problem? I'm dizzy and I get short-term memory loss. And I have family loss. And serious memory loss. He whacked me with my memory. And I said, back to memory. Membership dirty. I said, back to memory. I won't even dream. He whacked me with a pillow. Hard! I'm dizzy and I have serious short-term memory loss. And I have serious...
Yes.
And I have serious short-term memory loss. 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 And I have serious...
2,000 years later.
And I have serious... Why don't we settle this with... And I have serious short-term... Shut the fuck up! Why don't we... And I have... That is it! This is the final straw!
Say this delicately.
When you live, it makes me feel angry because you're a...
Kill yourself.
Let's frame our statement.
No. You makes me feel...
Somebody's watching me.
Because you're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
I'm gonna run away. That's what I'll do.
Roommate meeting grub.
You don't count.
It's not like I'm paranoid. It's not like I'm like...
You must have a weak...
Prepare to be destroyed by burn pot.
Is active.
Yeah, about that. I fired you.
Wait.
What just happened?
I fired you. I fired you.
Oh, okay.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
If I'm with you, there's no such thing as a no-win situation.
Don't patronize me.
I am none other than...
Robert Loggia.
I am none other than...
Lightning McQueen.
I am none other than...
Your mother.
No! The monkey! No one can stop me from turning coconuts into cocaine. Anyway, I've got a special treat for Sonic and his dingbat friends.
Free apartment?
Even worse. Serious. Autobots. Whenever they spot Team Sonic, the Autobots will retreat. Who's gonna take it? Gonna pour Sonic a hurt tonic. And the...
Okay, we get it.
We can finally have some quality time together. Stick's gonna be a volcano. It's an expression. It's just an expression. Getting ready is half the fun of expression.
Those dunderheads were supposed to haul it off 3 weeks ago.
There's nothing like shake.
Oh, fuck.
Welcome to Eggman Towers.
Hey! I'm gonna be stuck like this forever. Forever! 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 Club! Sponge.
Welcome to our club.
I can't believe I never thought of this before.
I just perfected my most meaty, the universal allow me to dive.
You have 2 seconds to complete the exam. I can do this! I can do this! Is it hot in here? Why is it so hot in here? Oh, fuck!
Looking for one of these? $20.
Huh? Oh, if it isn't Peter Griffin. What's with the smug grin? You got beef hatches? Then why don't you bring it to my grill? You just started a war, you piece of shit!
This is the greatest day of my life!
My great aunt gave me it.
How much for this?
Well, that's where I'd stick my dick. Then $5.
And I am totally busted and
I think it needs some more work.
Come on, man. Take a job.
Capable is my middle name.
I thought your middle name was...
Yeah. Mayor's office, Mayor speaking.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm just stroking my shit. I'm horny as fuck, man. I'm a freak,
Guys,
man.
get the f out of my stage!
The robot you have reached has been discombobulated, and the hedgehog you've been chasing got away. Have a nice day.
Who is this?
Look, Knuckles, Crystal Mech. How do I put this?
Stop being offensive.
Retarded.
Go ahead. Take your shot. Okay, that there was a little weird. I'll give you that. Are you fucking kidding me? Sorry I'm late. What can I do to...
No.
Oh, for the love of...
What the fuck are you looking at?
They took her.
Now you're talking.
Oh, wait, I can't read.
This is disgusting. The glass prison.
What? Just because I'm a meathead doesn't mean I'm not a feminist.
Have a seat!
Oh, hell no, I'm out of here.
Trophy of shame.
I don't care.